To make a bumblebee, we need a stripe of yellow paper. Then cut it in half. To make bumblebee's head, just roll one side of the stripe and glue it. Cut corners on the bottom to make a bumblebee shape. Make stripes with your black marker. Add some face and good smile. We need to make antennas. Don't forget some little details to make it look cute. Glue your antennas to the back side of the head. It looks cute already. Now we need to make wings. For wings, I'm going to cut stripe of white paper, cut it in half, and then cut both of them in half one more time, using a small rectangle shape, drawing number 3, cutting it out, gluing to the back side of my bumblebee. Now it has wings. I'm gonna add details, outline the shape of the wings. Lovely! I'm making another bumblebee just the same way, gluing the head, drawing stripes, cutting corners, adding antennas and the wings. And I want to make a third bumblebee so they all can be good friends. Making head, decorating it, adding details, antennas and wings. It looks very cute. Let's create a scene. Let's have our bumblebees enjoy the very bright sunny day. I'm cutting grass to glue it on the bottom of the paper. To make grass look better, I'm going to fold it in different directions. I'm cutting second stripe of green paper to make grass on the other side. I'm gonna glue it down and fold it a little bit in different directions. For the middle, I have an idea to have grass a little bit longer. I'm cutting it in tiny, teeny stripes, gluing it down, folding my grass in different directions to make it look dimensional. So it looks great so far. Now I'm going to make flowers from tissue paper. I thought to use both colors at the same time. It looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna have flowers next to the grass. I'm using white and pink tissue paper. Could be different color, could be any color. I want to make a garden with flowers for my bumblebees to fly around and enjoy the very sunny, bright day. Flowers can be the same or they can be different. I want my garden to look fun and beautiful. Okay, I'm adding a couple more flowers and my garden looks complete. Now I will make clouds. I'm drawing shape of clouds. I will use tissue paper to add texture and it will look puffy and fun. Also, I thought of having my clouds not completely white, but a little bit blue as well. So I'm going to use my marker and add some color to my white tissue paper. Looks beautiful. Of course I'm going to make sun, and I'm making it in a fun way. Sun shining, giving us a light and warmth on this beautiful day. I'm adding some decorations to my sun, coloring it yellow to make it bright. And I think I'm done with my background. All I have to do now is to glue my bumblebees. Let's pick a fun spot for each of my bumblebee friends. Make them look like they're flying around my garden. I'm adding really fun details to make them look like they are flying, so the image becomes dynamic and not so still. It looks really fun. Also, they move their wings, and for us to be able to see that movement, I'm adding little stripes next to their wings to show that they actually move them. It's all done. Looks great.